Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. This evening with the surf and turf, I'm going to use black tiger prawns from Vietnam. I actually got these from Tesco's. They were frozen in little boxes, but yes, that's what I'm going to use tonight. I'm going to cook them in garlic butter. A couple of garlic cloves, crush them up. And then a little bit of butter and some olive oil. Let that melt. Again, my famous ingredients, put a little bit of garlic salt in. So yeah, that's melting down. Chuck the prawns in. Add the garlic at the very end because you don't want it to, that can burn. A little bit of not particularly nice aftertaste, so I'll put the garlic in last. So let's let the prawns cook off a little bit. I said these are nice, large, black tiger prawns. Keep it simple, nothing too flashy. In my nice Le Creuset skillet, half price of Mr. Veg. Crush in a little bit of garlic. As you see, the prawns will change colour. As you can see, there you go. Nothing better than some smell of garlic and butter cooking. You can sprinkle some chives on if you want to, but I'm just, because this is going on top of the steak, it's probably enough. I could put a splash of wine. I would just keep an eye on them. I think probably a couple of minutes each side, 2 minutes each side. Once they've gone pink, really, leave them for a little bit longer. It's the garlic, you don't want the garlic burning. So it gives a bit of a bitter taste otherwise. So there you go. Prawns ready to top the fillet steak that I'm going to do. And the piece de resistance. Always have an odd number, so it has to be 3. Garlic sauce on. And there we have it.